Have you ever found yourself in a tense situation, feeling frustrated or misunderstood, and wondered if speaking your mind could make things worse? It is a common feeling, especially during unexpected encounters. Yes, arguing with police can absolutely cause more problems, potentially escalating a stressful situation into something far more serious. When you find yourself interacting with law enforcement, your primary goal should be to ensure your safety and avoid creating additional legal challenges for yourself. The core reason behind this advice is rooted in how law enforcement operates and the legal system itself. Officers are trained to maintain order and control. Engaging in an argument or becoming confrontational can be perceived as resistance, disrespect, or even a threat, regardless of your intent. This perception can lead to a situation escalating rapidly, potentially resulting in charges like obstruction of justice, disorderly conduct, or even resisting arrest. Remember, the street is not a courtroom, and proving your point in the moment can have negative consequences. So what can you do instead? The most important steps are to stay calm, be polite, and clearly understand your rights. If an officer initiates contact, remain as respectful in your tone and actions. You have the right to remain as silent, which means you do not have to answer questions beyond identifying yourself if lawfully required in your state. You also have the right to refuse a search of yourself, your car, or your home if they do not have a warrant or probable cause. If you are detained, comply physically with their instructions but state clearly that you do not consent to any searches and wish to speak with an attorney. Ask if you are free to leave, and if the answer is yes, do so calmly. If you are arrested, do not resist, but continue to assert your right to silence and legal counsel. Think of this as employing a strategy called constructive compliance. It means cooperating with lawful commands while still asserting your constitutional rights, rather than engaging in a direct verbal confrontation. An important insider tip is to try and remember details such as the officer's badge number, patrol car number, or any specific events that transpired. This information is invaluable if you need to challenge the interaction later with legal representation. Documenting your experience immediately after the encounter, perhaps by writing down details or contacting a trusted person, can also be incredibly helpful. By understanding that the time and place for argument is in a courtroom with legal counsel, not on the side of the road, you empower yourself to navigate these encounters more effectively. This approach safeguards your immediate well-being and protects your future, ensuring that a simple interaction does not derail your progress toward successfully rebuilding your life.